Seaspiracy, what is it and why is it getting backlash? Well, Seaspiracy is a documentary that was released on March 24th, 2021. And I have been doing some research on Seaspiracy and reading reviews and finding out why it's getting so much backlash. Joshua Frank's review illustrates that things that Seaspiracy did not address. 27-year-old director Ali Tabrizi explains about what is going on with the oceans, like plastics, illegal whaling, and dolphin hunts, which are all bad, but most of all, he talks about commercial fishing. Joshua Frakes is more about population growth and its connection to the destruction of oceanic life. He does explain that Ali Tabrizi gets a lot right, but he just does not agree with some of what Ali says. One of Joshua's biggest concerns is fossil fuels, a significant role in oceanic destruction. There are many things that have an enormous impact on our oceans, from unforeseen fish migrations to acidification. Coral reefs are experiencing the brunt of our warming planet's toll on the ocean. Around the world, there are 120 million people that are dependent on fish. Most of them are relatively poor and work in a small local fisheries. They have a difficult time competing for the limited resources. Additionally, some retails, hotels, and catering companies purchase their fish from these local fisheries who benefit significantly from the corporations. The oceans provide a habitat for over 200,000 known species and potentially millions more unknown ones. With commercial fishing, it's causing a lot of bycatch. And bycatch is when they are catching dolphins, sharks, turtles, manta rays, whales in the nets. They claim that they are releasing them back into the ocean, but this has not become a proven fact yet. So why are people trying to debunk Seaspiracy? So why the heat? And when does it stop? Patricia Patner, in her review, breaks down the Seaspiracy is all about the dolphins and whales, bycatch, plastic pollution, to climate change, along with sustainable seafood, corruption, and human rights abuse to fish farming. And also the Faroe Islands and ethics and health. She goes to say Seaspiracy proposes 3 solutions for saving our oceans, which are shifting to a plant-based diet, enforcing no-catch marine reserves, and ending all fish subsidies. With everything that this documentary talks about, it has caused some criticism, and it will not stop there as more people become aware of what's going on. This is planet ocean, and we do need it to survive. The ocean is 70% of our oxygen, and if the ocean dies, there are people that will not survive. Not everyone is on board. People only see what they want. There is many things destroying our oceans. Commercial fishing is an issue, but it's not the fishing itself. These commercial boats drop anchor, which drags on our ocean floors, damaging coral reefs. And I believe that is a bigger problem. Ali Tabrizi, a 27-year-old director, needed to further his research and expand that. This is what people are saying. Natalia Winkleman thinks that this is a turbulent documentary, which has plenty of discoveries. Even though the documentary talks about several different issues, Natalie focuses on more of the marine destruction and corruption. She implies that the film was a cheap imitation of journalism. Another says this is more about racism than it is about the problem of the oceans. As Ali Tabrizi attacks East and Southeast Asia, He goes to say, while the often white members of vegan and ocean activists include Terezzi himself, are seen as heroes. As you can see, not everyone is aboard.